Hello, I am Asier Dorken and I will be presenting my Physics 102 lab project in which I will investigate the effect of temperature on the resistance of copper. To do so, I will use a 50-meter long copper wire which I have put into a coil to better manage and handle, and it has two exposed ends here. The wire is 50 meters long and 1 millimeter in diameter. And to measure the resistance of this wire, I will use a multimeter which has a function for measuring resistance. I will connect the probes to the exposed ends of the wire, and so at different temperatures I will record the measurements of the resistance of this wire. For the first part of the experiment, I will put the wire into the freezer, which is set to minus 18 degrees. I will let the wire cool down to minus 18 degrees and then measure its resistance. After the wire reaches the desired temperature, its resistance is measured. Then the wire is taken to the fridge this time, where we will wait until it drops down to 6 degrees Celsius. After we have measured the resistance for 6 degrees Celsius, the wire is put into the oven. Which is set to 30 degrees Celsius, and then it will be measured for resistance. Then it will be heated up to 54 degrees Celsius and 78 degrees Celsius again to be measured for resistance. The experiment is repeated an overall of 3 times to minimize random error. When the data is plotted with resistance over the temperature, linear regression graph can be plotted, and the linear regression line has a Pearson correlation coefficient of 98%, which implies a strong positive correlation.